we will go to the files option, and then we will explore any story, and we will give any rights according to the business need. So I will select this story, and then we'll go to the share option, and then click on the share. Here we can see that the access, the type of access, the access to the story is present here. You can use view, edit, full control, and custom. So we'll discuss one by one all these rights. So then we have the clear understanding of the rights regarding to the particular object. So let's see. If I click on the add users or team, we can also add directly team by giving the name of the team here. Also we can use a particular user and then assign the particular rights according to the requirement. So I will type any, I don't know the username right now because this is a public cloud installation. So I just randomly select any user. So then we will apply this role to the user. I select this user AC1317. I don't know this user. This is a random user. So I will select the view and then click on the share button. Till now there were only one user, but now it is showing that shared with two users. One is 1317 and second is 1735. So it's showing that the owner of this story is this user, and this story has been shared to more to user with the same rights, that is view. If we want to change its access, we will change here. Here it is. You can see that the edit on the story has been given to this user, and in this way we can handle some basic rights on a story or any type of object which we can share all over the landscape. So then we can manage this right easily. So if we want to give the full control on this story, so then it will be equal to the admin or the owner of the story or any object or SAP Analytics Cloud object. So we'll give the full control. After that, the message has been shared. Sharing setting for the selected items have been updated. This means the sharing of this story has been granted to the particular user with the full control rights. So the next thing is regarding the rights is the custom. So if you want to restrict user for any particular rights, we will go to the set custom access, and we will maintain it accordingly. If we want that the viewer cannot be add comment, we will uncheck this. If we want to that the user will not be edit anything, we will uncheck this. And if you want to grant user that he can share any this story or any object, we will select this one and then click on the share. So here it is. The role, the particular rights on any story has been granted in this way, and all the things now managed by the custom access. So last but not least, when we will create the user, definitely we will have to assign this role. When we will create the role, definitely we have to give this role to the particular user or the team. Let's say we have to give this role to the team. Let's click on the teams. The system will automatically redirect to the users or the team which are already present here. Here it is. You can see a lot of team members available here. So if we give this story to the team of data action role EA modeler, we will select this checkbox and then click on the apply. And then go back to the security. So if you want to explore some particular team and if you want to find the members of any team, we can click on the team name directly, and the system will show the list of the team members automatically. As here it is now, as you can see, the list of member is now showing here the name Hemans and the deleted user already present here, Demon Fabric present here, and so on. A lot of 25 users has been using this particular role. So this role made easy for maintaining the rights of particular object or for enhancing the value for the productivity of the team. So let's move into another new lecture of this course. So let's enjoy the remaining things of SAP Analytics Cloud. Till then, bye bye. Take care.